Time to wake the floorboards. Time to ride the dark horse. Time to shake up the neighbors. Alone in my bedroom.